Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Timmy Swagger. Welcome to my welcome to my study room. You will get a full tour of my home the very next time I see you, hopefully. This is my first vlog. I'm very excited. Hopefully, this is the first one of many. This first vlog will be an introduction about myself. I'll answer a couple of questions, one of which I get asked all the time. First of all, Swagger, Timmy Swagger. How did you get the name Timmy Swagger? I get asked that all the time. Well, to answer that question, I will have to date back a couple of years. It all started with my fetish of tall blondes. I've always had this fetish. I don't know why. See, the problem I found was because I liked dating these taller women, there was a problem. They wanted guys who were taller than me. They wanted taller men, basically. And obviously I'm not a really tall guy. I'm just 5'7". The women I date are around 5'10" to sometimes 6'1". And I found that I had to work on other aspects of my characteristics, such as my tonality, my facial expressions, and the way I carried myself, the way I walked. And that's essentially what swagger is. It's how you carry yourself. Because I couldn't compete with height and looks, I had to make it up for the way I carried myself. And you know, I've been working on this for a couple of years, and this is something where I've put it all together. I've done the magic, and I have a course called Swagger 101, and it teaches a lot of men how to work on their characteristics. So there you go. That's where Timmy Swagger came from. I will answer more questions the very next time I see you. I'll see you around.